on this video. Welcome to Team Reese Travels. If you are new here, I'm so glad you chose to stop on by. And if you're not new, you already know you're a VIP. Listen here, we are in Nassau, Bahamas today. Day 4 of the Mete and I Cruise. I'm sad. Day 4 is the last day, y'all. Don't nobody want to hear about this. But it's day 4. We're going to make the best of it. We're going to have a good time. Me and my friend Siobhan are getting ready to go and hang out on Nassau Port. We're going to go maybe find a beach, maybe find something good to eat, and just, do our own thing. So I hope you'll come and join us. Make sure you stick around because there's some good things to come in Nassau. But first, let's get some breakfast because your girl hungry. You know I can't go nowhere without getting some food on my stomach. The towel animal invasion is in full effect on the Lido deck. Trying to get to breakfast and it closes in 2 minutes. One now. Be upside. We are not late. We made it, y'all. We actually made it. We got here just in time. So I'm gonna show you what I have so far. I have some smoked salmon. I asked for it to go into an omelet. I think this is probably the 3rd time that I've asked for it to go in an omelet and it comes on the side. I think they're just not used to putting it in an omelet. I also got some French toast. RJ, my bad. Siobhan got the booty French toast.
I know, and I'm looking at those, I was like, why is that booty?
And she got some. Say that again.
Y'all give me the booty ends of stuff. I got the booty end, the corporate head, just like,
oh my God. You did get the booty end of the corporate head.
Somebody eat that.
Right. Yeah, that's what you get for having them complicated grits, though. I'm gonna leave it at that. So, y'all, we done with breakfast, and I just want y'all to know we kind of twinning it today.
I mean,
and Miss Siobhan got me out here with my belly out.
Okay.
Which I'm rethinking now that I ate. But I'm out of my comfort zone. That's what cruising is all about. Stepping out of your comfort zone. We are in Portage today with the MSC Mirabella. So you guys, the new port in Nassau is finally open. You guys know I was just here in February. But look how much built up it is. Now look at that. Cute. So far, I'm impressed with the changes so far. Really put a lot of work into this. They got a little spice store here. You said you wanted some rum cake. Clam. I told y'all Siobhan got me all outside my box. We ain't
paying me.
Right, I know that's right. So get the
Right.
We'll put it back on if the price is right. But we are at the Bearded Clam, getting ready to get some lunch and some drinks. And it was a pretty short walk here. Shout out to Parkers on the Go for always having to hook up on what to do everywhere.
So we be on the go.
On the right. They be on the go. They be on the go. They want you to be on the go too. So make sure you go subscribe. So yes, we're getting ready to get some food. I'm gonna give y'all a quick peek at the menu and then we'll be back when the food's on. Y'all don't judge me, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this panty ripper straight now. Y'all, this fish sandwich is so good. The fish is seasoned so well. It is fried to perfection. It's flaky and tender and delicious. The wings are good. The sauce is good. Y'all see, I'm like kind of going to town over here. I don't even remember if I recorded the food before I started eating. But hey, it's what it is. The food is good. And the drink is good too. It tastes like a pina colada. That's what it tastes like. But I think that's like, I don't know, I almost thought that was ice cream, but I think it's just slushy. Y'all, I came in here to buy a Father's Day gift for my husband, and somehow we both, we're Father's Day shopping. I promise y'all we are. I didn't do nothing. Look here. The things we do for our husbands. Now, they act like we don't love them. Brandon and Ray, don't be at home acting like we don't love y'all, okay? We just spent time on our vacation. Y'all probably can't even hear, but we just spent time on our vacation shopping for y'all, okay? So we don't want to hear it. Don't want to hear it? But we love y'all. We do. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. So you guys, we just walked up on this beach, Serenity Beach. We're getting ready to see if we can get over here and dip our feet a little bit before we have to get on the ship because it's hot, y'all. But it's right by Senior Frogs and let's see, Luca Carey is out there. The ship is over there. But let's go. We ain't got a lot of time, so we gotta get over there. Alright people, that's it for Nassau. We had enough for today. It's hot, it's time to get to some AC. But it was a fun day. I enjoyed the food, enjoyed the drinks, enjoyed the shopping. Now it's time to get back to some AC. Alright y'all, so we're back. Sailed away from Nassau. And now, oh it's dark, hold on, let me get y'all to some light. Alright, so we sailed away from Nassau. And now it's the last evening of the trip. We have been twinning all day, because I mean, you know we couldn't get on no cruise ship together and not ride cruise Kibitz. So it's actually Rep Your Organization Day. That's the theme of tonight on the Mete and I Cruise. So we repping Cruise Kibitz. We're gonna go check out karaoke, get some dinner, and see what the night brings. We're packed already. Can you believe it?
I know.
This is so out of the ordinary for me.
It is.
I'm the one that's throwing stuff in my bag at 10:58, praying they ain't came. But today we're packed, so let's go. This is crazy. What is this?
Another theme and didn't tell us.
Wow.
Anyway, let me get you to the shirt.
I didn't get the memo.
20. We ain't the only 20 today.
So y'all, I
Put the cameras up. Stop filming.
how you guys just happen?
Man, this is unnecessary. I am
calling Congress in the morning. As soon as I get back to Miami, I'm running 11 Congress, man. This is crazy. I'm putting the wives on notice. Y'all gonna be in
Stay on in there,
all that. No offense.
Did you know? Did you know?
No, I had no idea. No, we really did not. I really did not know. I'm just as surprised as y'all are.
This is crazy.
This is a beautiful thing. I feel like we need all the guys named matching shirts to just jump on and get up and dance. Come on, y'all.
We don't have to open ours.
We filled up that staircase.
We sure did.
Yeah. You deserve it, right?
Disembarkation day. Ugh. I hate to even say it out loud, but that's what day it is. I am sitting outside of Blue Iguana. I'm having, it's my typical debarkation day breakfast, Blue Iguana. I got my Blue Iguana breakfast burrito. I even got some fruit and some lime to go along with it. And it's just, I'm so sad to be leaving because it's been such a good time. I've had an amazing cruise. Me and Siobhan have had so much fun hanging out together. Doesn't she look excited to be leaving?
I mean, I know I'll be back, but I just don't want to leave my friend.
I know. Oh God, nope, 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 nope. She not gonna get me. I ain't cried this whole time. She not about to get me.
You realize it's gonna be 6 months before we see each other again?
No, I don't want to think about it. I'm trying not to realize it.
Well, I'm gonna have to start Google Flights and just pick one.
Right, listen.
Oh, man.
You take a trip to Chicago, I take a trip to North Carolina. There we go. That's how we're gonna have to do this.
Yes.
The entire group, the dynamic has just been fabulous. The cruise overall was fun. Mete and I put so much thought and time and effort into making sure that this was a success, and it showed. I am so grateful to them. So Mete and I, if you're watching, shout out to y'all for just all the things that you did to make us feel our absolute best on this cruise. It is so appreciated. Definitely, if you were on the fence about, the Mete and I cruise, this first one, go ahead and jump over that fence for cruise number 2, all right? But if you're interested, definitely reach out to Mete and I so that you can jump on board with the group next time, because I'm telling you, it was a good time. It was a whole vibe. I enjoyed it.
But it is time for us to part. Just wanted to just say how much I appreciate you guys for watching. You know what, make sure you click the like button, click the subscribe button. You know, if you like what you're watching, you might as well subscribe. You got all the way to the end anyway. And if you, you know, feeling like you want a little bit more, go ahead and join the memberships. Click that join button down below. Become a part of the fam. And we will see you in the next cruise series. Thank you again. And until next time, team Reese.